everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Justin, this is Whiskey and Rides. So last week the headlight on my 2006 Harley Street Glide decided it was going to stop working, and rather than just replacing it with the same old, I figured I'd take this opportunity and upgrade to one of those fancy LED headlights that everybody else has. I wasn't willing to shell out the $700 that Harley wants for the Daymaker or whatever they're calling it. So I hopped on Amazon to see what I could find. Found all sorts of options. I ended up going with the Z Off-Road. It had some really good reviews. Even somebody who had installed one on an 06 Street Glide, so it gave me a little bit of confidence. Ordered it up and it arrived today. So let me show you what we got. So, first thing, we obviously got a headlight. This is a 7-inch headlight. Overall, first impressions, I'm pretty impressed. It's got some weight to it. It's solid. The electrical connections seem to be pretty good. And yeah, I think I'm going to like the look anyway. The second thing that came in the package here is the adapter ring. I believe I am going to need this to make this headlight work. And then it also came with a number of electrical connection adapters. I don't think I'm going to be needing them, but they're there in case I do. This install is supposed to be fairly straightforward and easy. I think I need a Phillips head screwdriver and a T25, and that should be it. But let's get into this and find out. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here, we got to get this beauty ring off and then remove the original headlight. Beauty ring's off. We'll get this stock ring off. That should allow the headlight to come out. We got this out. Now there's a couple screws that we have to pull out. We don't want to pull out the adjustment screws. We actually want to pull out the screws that hold in the headlight. All right, we'll just disconnect that. We're good. So if we look at the original plate that's in there, the new headlight's just not going to sit in there nicely. So what we actually have to do is remove this plate here. This is where the 4 T25s will come out, and put that plate adapter on. All right, I was mistaken. It's actually a T27 that we're going to need, and we'll just go ahead and pop these out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this beauty ring and get it mounted up here. Basically, we're going to line up the 4 holes and use the 4 original screws to slide this back in. Let's see how this goes. All right, those are snug down. We're going to take this little beauty ring off of here and test fit that headlight. I guess before we get too far, better make sure this thing actually works. Alright, we got high beam, we got low beam, high beam. There we go. I think we're good. Let's get this buttoned up. Guess we don't need that. right, there we go. Retention rings on. We're going to go ahead, get the beauty rings back on, and job done. All right, so a little bit of a issue, pain in the ass I ran into. This tab down here where the small screw goes for holding on the original beauty ring, I don't think it was actually threaded, so I had to run the screw through it first, kind of cut it, I guess, and now it seems to be okay, so we'll go ahead and get this on. All right, and the last bit, throw my aftermarket beauty ring back on, and we're in business. All right, well, that is the install finished, and I'll tell you, that looks so much better. Definitely that light is a lot brighter, looks a lot better. I can definitely tell I need to replace my signal lights next, but I am overall super happy with the results so far. Take it out on a couple night rides and see how it really performs. So anyway, I think that's about all for tonight. Gonna go pour myself a whiskey, get the bike put away, and get ready for tomorrow. Until next time, this is Whiskey and Rides.